guys, and welcome back to another amazing DIY project. Today we are going to be making what I call a snail shell mirror. Before we proceed, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when you upload amazing content. This is what you need for your project. So let's begin. You want to start off by cutting the cardboard to the size of your mirror. It's always a good idea to outline just like this so you can cut a perfect shape. I divided my mirror on the back side like this to make sure I attach the skewers in a uniform fashion. Make sure you have your glue gun heated up as you do this so you can begin attaching the skewers right away. For this project, I used the long skewers. I attached the skewers along the lines I had drawn. After I was done gluing my skewers, it was time to glue my cardboard on the back side of the mirror. I used a lot of glue at these points so that the cardboard would have a firm grip. Remember to press it down for a few seconds for it to hold. I placed a cover on the front side of my mirror to protect it from the paint and sprayed the skewers with a bright gold color. It's always advisable to shake it well before use. Allow it some time to dry so the paint doesn't come off as we work on the next step. This is an outline I had drawn on how I wanted the spirals to look like. Place it accurately under the mirror to mark where you will cut the skewers to get the shape you want. Next, I cut the skewers along the outlines on the diagram I had drawn to guide my shape. I noticed the skewers were quite hard, so use a sharp blade or pliers for this step. Once I was done cutting the skewers, I made some holes along the outlines which I'd used to spray some black paint to mark how the spirals would appear. After I was done punching the holes, the spirals looked like this. I placed the diagram over my project and sprayed with black paint to highlight the spirals. I then placed the small mirrors along the spirals which I had marked. happy with the overall design, you can begin gluing the small mirrors. I ended up by wiping off my mirror with glass cleaner. This is the final look, guys. I actually love how it adds details to my wall. Thanks for watching. If you love this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless.